Hey everyone, welcome back to CBC4 News. Let's dive right into the big news from Bangladesh. Massive protests have rocked the nation, leading to the resignation of Chief Justice Obaidul Hassan. Yeah, you heard that right. Students and lawyers alike rallied outside the Supreme Court in Dhaka, demanding Hassan's resignation. Appointed in 2023, Hassan was seen as a loyalist to the ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. The protests were intense, with students accusing Hassan of attempting a judicial coup. They didn't stop there. They also called for the resignation of the other 7 Supreme Court justices, citing political bias. The pressure was immense, and Hassan eventually agreed to step down, prioritizing the safety of lawyers. But that's not all. Central Bank Governor Abdur Rauf Talukder also tendered his resignation amidst the chaos, though it hasn't been accepted yet. The country is in a state of civil unrest, despite the formation of an interim government led by Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus. Yunus has promised elections within months and is calling for religious unity. He's trying to stabilize the nation, which is grappling with violence, religious tensions, and a severe lack of trust in its institutions. The student-led protests have been nothing short of remarkable. Over 450 lives have been lost in the turmoil, but the movement has gained significant traction. These young activists are demanding accountability and transparency, and they are making their voices heard. The resignation of both the Chief Justice and the Central Bank Governor creates a massive vacuum in governance. The transitional government has its work cut out for it, needing to swiftly appoint new leaders to ensure the judiciary and financial system keep functioning smoothly. What happens next is crucial. The upcoming elections will determine the country's future trajectory. Will they be free and fair? That remains to be seen. The international community is watching closely as Bangladesh navigates this turbulent period. So what do you think? Will Bangladesh find stability, or is there more unrest on the horizon? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for tuning into CBC4 News. Stay informed, stay engaged, and I'll catch you in the next one. See
নবনিযুক্ত মাননীয় প্রধান উপদেষ্টা পদে কর্তব্য বিশ্বস্ততার সহিত পালন করিব।